Otago Edge is situated 16 kilometres north of Hobart on the eastern side of the Derwent River. You look around, it's not busy, it's just the three main materials used. The ambience is beautiful, it's filled with light. It's just all about capturing the views and, importantly, designing a house that would actually work with the environment. The client's brief was quite significant. A single-storey home with level access right the way around for our clients' mobility issues. So that was the main consideration. They wanted a grand entry, a large kitchen, obviously wanted to expose all those magnificent views. It's taken actually 6 years to get to where we are right now. The central hub of the house is pivotal to the design. We've got the main living room, and then by opening and shutting various large sliding walls of glass and screens, these entertaining spaces are able to be opened up and closed down. So you can have multiple lots of entertaining in the media room, in the alfresco, in the sunken spa, and further out to the fire pit. And that's crucial to living in Tasmania's climate because we can have 4 seasons in one day. The spa pool is actually recessed under the floor surface. So with a push of the button, the amazing lid, which is 6 metres long by 3 metres wide, slides back underneath the glazing and into the landscape area. It's never been done before in Australia. Nothing in this particular design and build is standard. Everywhere you look here, there's so many amazing details. The stone is laid meticulously. We've used Western red cedar in big, large beams from the entry through to the waterfront. And that main bathroom, concrete starts from inside, projects outside. Beautiful switchable glass is actually trenched into that wall, and so you get that seamless, minimalist feel. The frameless glass doors retracting into pockets, to pull that off is just a challenge by itself. When you design a large home, it's quite difficult to normally have a house that's full of light. I worked really hard with this project, so there's nowhere in this particular design that you walk that you'll feel enclosed or a dark space. We've got highlight glazing that actually fills the back part, the southern part of the home. So I'm borrowing some of that light into other rooms as well. All the living and bedrooms have access to the northern water views. They also have large sliding doors so they can access out to that water view. So we've used the commercial series, it was the Elevate series, because the massive spans of glazing that we've got, the height, also the weight of those units. So we need to make sure that these units could actually slide very efficiently. So we've used the AWS 704s, stacker doors, the top hung bifold doors from AWS as well. I love AWS, they're one of the best manufacturers of aluminium windows and doors in Australia. Their feedback, their response time, if you've got a difficult challenge, they'll always help you out. And that's why I love using AWS. What I love most about this home is there was a collaboration between myself, Alana and the girls, Marcus as the principal builder. So the collaboration was extremely important. And it was a great process. You don't design homes and build homes like this every day.